We want them to know that those families can count on us.
A new local business is making some noise, offering a service just about everybody needs, but for a good cause.
2Works2 reporter Ashley Holt introduces us to the guys who promised to make green country smell great again.
It takes you by surprise at first.
I do tell them straight honestly what I do, and I clean trash cans.
Joshua Schneider rounds the corner of a quiet neighborhood with a green polo, smile, and an odd-looking garbage truck.
They'll stop us and say, hey, holy cow, what is this? How much is it? Great, I'm right around the corner. And then here we come.
GotDirtyBins.com started from a simple yet strong observation.
I says, I know trash bins, they stink. And I says, and they're like, yeah, Dad, they do.
Owner Nick Grigo deciding to cut the crap.
They're just doing what they got to do to take care to make Tulsa smell better.
But Dirty Ben isn't just out for himself.
When we kind of set this all together and brainstormed, it was just a natural fit with Folds of Honor, you know.
The company's dedication to veterans is apparent and permanent. They say as long as their trucks are driving, they're dedicated to helping people.
There we go, that's a little better.
The owner, Nick, a veteran himself.
We want them to know that those families can count on us.
Folds of Honor telling us how proud they are of the partnership, emphasizing the importance of making sure no family gets left behind on the field of battle and home front.
And then it'll be clean and sparkly, just like new. It's a beautiful thing on the back of your mind to be, this is for somebody else. It really actually is, helping everybody.
Ashley Holt, 2Works for You.